No. No.
Hi, what's your name?
Hello, good night. My name is Jose Manuel. What is your name?
My name is my name is Irving. How old are you?
I am 24 years old. And you? How old are you?
I am is 26. Where are you from?
I am from Lima. And you from Lima?
Not, I am from Piura.
Uh, what is telephone number?
My telephone number is 126121613. And you, what's your
My,
phone number?
my telephone number is 919546835.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Goodbye.